Hi guys, welcome back to my channel judithdiyartistic. Today I'm gonna try and voila texture. This inspired me to create something different for my walls. This helped me to increase the visual height of the interiors, which can influence the tone or the feel of the room. So let's get started.
But I have to stay afloat. It's nicer be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do? Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me. Just live behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood?
this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you for the next.